CNC Group break 24604. We have the 4-box break of 2324 SP Game Used. We have a red number to 222 for the Vegas Golden Knights of Shea Theodore. A rookie debut number to 499 for the Rangers of Will Cooley. Draft day marks number to 35 for the Buffalo Sabres of Matt Savoy. A base jersey for the Winnipeg Jets of Cole Perfetti. Deep cuts, number to 250 for Montreal of Nick Suzuki. And a Global Series Fabrics jersey for Columbus of Patrick Laine. We have got number to 499 for Buffalo, Zach Benson. Banner year for Colorado of Nathan McKinnon. Number to 91, base card for the Winnipeg Jets of Cole Perfetti. We have an authentic rookies red jersey auto number to 149 for the New York Islanders of William Dufour. Deep cuts number to 250 for St. Louis of Jordan Kyrou. And an all-star mascots jersey of Yuppie for Montreal. We have a new Grooves gold number to 99 for Montreal of Owen Beck. An authentic rookie jersey for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Adam Fantilli. A deep cuts number to 250 for the Devils of Luke Hughes. Authentic rookie auto for the Philadelphia Flyers of Elliot Desnoyers. A rookie jersey for Washington of Vincent Iorio. And a Global Series Fabrics jersey for Colorado of Devin Tays. Last box mojo. We have got number to 111, gold base for Colorado of Landeskog. A rookie sweaters jersey for Buffalo of Devin Levi. Number to 227, red for the Edmonton Oilers of Connor McDavid. A red jersey auto, number to 65 for the New York Islanders of Anders Lee. A base jersey for St. Louis of Robert Thomas. And a rookie jersey for Chicago of Kevin Korchinski. There we go, folks.